Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to speed up your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So, first thing you should do to speed up your TV is update the software of it. You can do this by navigating to Settings, go into Device and Software, then select About. In About, navigate to the last option, which is check for updates. Let your TV check for available updates. If it finds any, let it install the updates immediately. And once the update is installed, if your TV doesn't restart itself, then go back to the previous menu and select Restart option and let your TV reboot. After that, now this change will significantly improve your device's speed. As keeping your device up to date is always good for your TV. And after you do that, let's also clear up some storage, especially if you've had this TV for a while. This will also help you with the device's speed. So you go to Applications menu from the settings, then enable automatic offload to automatically offload unused apps if you don't have this feature enabled yet. And after that, you can clear all applications caches with one click by selecting this option and then clicking confirm. If you have a bunch of different applications there, they surely gathered a bunch of unused cache on your device. Go to manage installed applications and uninstall some apps that you haven't been using. You can quickly uninstall an application pressing play pause button, then click confirm and find all the applications that you don't need on your TV and uninstall all of them, because keeping enough storage on your TV actually speeds up its performance. After that, also one more thing. You can also individually clear cache for each application by selecting an application from the list and then navigating to clear cache. You can also clear its data by selecting the respective option. You can offload this application and of course uninstall, as I said it before. After we've cleared up some storage, let's go to devices preferences and let's disable preferences to slow down our TV. The first one being the privacy settings. Well, not the privacy settings is only in the menu, but here we have a bunch of different things that we don't need on our TV and that actually slow down our TV. First of all, manage sharing from apps. Go right here and disable the first option here by clicking OK, then select off. OK, next go to cookie consent, and unless you really need your device to save cookie preferences, decline this consent. Also, the disable device usage data. So all of these trackers, they send the information to Amazon servers and back, all of this transfer in the meantime while you're watching your TV causes your TV to function to operate much slower. And disabling each of these settings will actually improve your device's stability and overall performance. Let's turn off the collecting of app and over-the-air usage data. Let's also disable internet-based ads. You can before disabling internet-based ads, let's also clear our advertising ID by going to your advertising ID and pressing 3 stripes button on your remote control. Click OK, and then let's turn off interest-based ads. Now let's go to Xiaomi privacy settings. These are actually easier to turn off. All you have to do is select them and then withdraw. If you have agree here, that's okay, just leave them be. If you have withdraw, then press withdraw, and let's go to data usage monitoring. Let's also turn this feature off. And now the featured content will be the last option which will disable. The featured content is something you see on the home screen, so all the all the advertisements, all the movies, featured movies. By switching both these features off, so video autoplay or audio autoplay, we will prevent them from playing automatically on your screen when you're simply watching, looking at your home screen. And autoplay also uses a lot of data while you're using your TV. Therefore, we will optimize our experience by disabling both of those features. Now let's go back to settings, let's go to device and software, and let's restart our TV once again to apply all the changes. And some of these changes may actually take some time to be applied, so be aware of that too. So only when the data is synchronized with the Amazon servers, with the Xiaomi servers, will be able to finally use at our TV at its max performance. Now let's wait for a while. After your TV turns on, give it a couple of minutes to launch, and after that it will be as fast as never before. I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.